Somewhere in the darkness of space, there is a place where light itself cannot escape. Not because light is too slow. Light is the fastest thing in the universe. It cannot escape because space itself has been bent so violently that every path, every direction leads inward. This is a black hole. And to understand it, we have to first understand something strange about gravity itself. In 1915, Albert Einstein changed how we see the universe. Gravity, he said, is not a pull, it is geometry. Mass bends the fabric of space and time around it, the way a heavy ball bends a stretched sheet of rubber. Earth curves space just a little, the sun curves it more. But a black hole bends space so completely it folds in on itself. There is a boundary around it, a point of no return. We call it the event horizon. Cross it, and there is no signal, no light, no information that can ever climb back out. Most black holes are born from dying stars. A massive star spends its life in a war against its own gravity, nuclear fusion pushing outward, gravity pulling inward. For millions of years it holds, but when the fuel runs out, the outward pressure vanishes, and gravity wins. The star's core collapses, not slowly, but in less than a second. If the core is massive enough, nothing can stop the collapse. Not electrons, not neutrons, nothing known in physics. The core shrinks past every limit, crushing down to a single point of infinite density, a singularity. Wrapped around it, the event horizon. A black hole is born in silence, in the space where a star used to be. Here is the strangest part. Near a black hole, time slows down. If you watched a clock falling toward the event horizon, it would tick slower and slower and slower. From your point of view, it would seem to freeze, forever hovering at the edge, never quite crossing. But for the clock itself, falling in, time feels completely normal. It crosses the horizon in an instant, feeling nothing unusual at all. Two observers, two completely different realities of the same event. This is not science fiction. This is what Einstein's equations demand, and what we have now measured again and again. For a century, black holes were pure theory, a strange prediction hiding in the mathematics. Then, in 2019, something extraordinary happened. Scientists linked telescopes across the entire planet, turning Earth itself into one giant eye. And for the first time, humanity saw it. A ring of light bent around darkness. The shadow of a black hole 8 billion light-years away. Not a photograph of the hole itself, you cannot photograph nothing, but a photograph of its edge. Of light bending around the one place in the universe it cannot enter. A black hole is not a monster devouring the universe. It is a mirror, showing us the true nature of space, time, and gravity, pushed to their absolute limit. Somewhere out there, one is waiting. Bending light, bending time, reminding us how much of the universe we still don't understand.